Question 11 was done very badly, primarily because you can't remember how to multiply fractions. Substitution was fine, but you weren't able to sort it out. Let's look at it. V squared equals u is minus 3, so I'm doing minus 3 squared, plus 2 times a, which is 2 over 3, times 9 over 4. Okay, so you got that bit fine. Next part, minus 3 squared is positive 9, and then this is what you struggled with, so let's try and break this down. When we're multiplying fractions, 2 times 2 over 3 times 9 over 4. A lot of you are cross-multiplying or trying to get common denominator. Not necessary. When you're multiplying fractions, if we just look at this bit for now, it's just the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. Don't make it any more difficult than it needs to be. Okay, so 2 times 9 would be 18, and 4 times 3 would be 12. So you get 18 over 12. If we simplify 18 over 12, they both go into 6. So we'd get 3 over 2. But that's just for this bit here. And then you had to times that by 2. So it would be 2 lots of 18 over 12 and 2 lots of 3 over 2. 2 times 3 over 2, you could think of it as 2 over 1. 2's cancel, in fact, don't they? This 2 and this 2. Or, if you didn't cancel, 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So you needed to see a plus 3 here. So whatever method you used, you needed to get to a plus 3. You could have simplified the fractions at this point as well. So you could have put this to 1 here, and this to 2. Okay, and in fact, you could have put this down to 1 as well, and this down to 3. So if you simplified at the start, it was very easy. All right. And then we just have to add them together. So v squared is equal to 9 plus 3, which is 12. So v is going to equal to the square root of 12. Now it does say give your answer in the simplest third form. So root 12 is the same as root 4 times root 3, root 4 times 3. What's the square root of 4? 2. What's the square root of 3? Is irrational, so we leave it inside the third. 2 root 3 for your final answer.